Today we made a banner and we thought we will share this experience with you. The banner is for one of our shops we are opening shortly. You could use this banner for any business or shop, office, etc. Point 1. Click and open PixelLab. This you will find in a round shape in P. Second is for background and color selection. Third, for wheel, select your color by tapping on the color you want. Fourth, you selected orange, red, you can cancel if you don't like and pick another color. Once selected, click OK. Next, you have to select the size of the banner. For example, we selected 2360 width and height 1280. We wanted a banner of 2 feet and by 4 feet, which can be easily converted to any size you want afterwards. Next, new text is already on the screen and has to be double tapped to write the name you have decided for your business or shop, etc. After typing, click on OK. For example, our chosen name is Navinya Ladies Collection. If you want to change the font, you will see many options on the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling to find more options on the right side. Choose the font and tap OK. Drag to increase or decrease the size of your selected name. Drag and place the name on the board where you want it to show. We didn't like orange, so we changed it into an image by going into the gallery folder and searched what we liked. We also changed the color of the name of the business by tapping the texture icon and selecting the color we liked and tap OK. To put a border around the name, scroll on the right and icon named stroke will appear. Tap to switch it on and pick a color for the border. On top you will find plus icon. Tap to get into From Gallery. Pick a picture of your choice. Drag and reduce or increase the size by dragging the white dot on the corner. Place where you want by dragging. Shape of the picture can be selected in round, square, rectangle, etc. as per your choice by selecting and tapping OK. With this process, more pictures can be added. If you want to give border to the picture, please use the same process as explained earlier. Opening soon in round was downloaded from Google. Other sites like Pixabay, Mixkit, Pinterest are also available. From these sites, you can bring image to your gallery. On top, tap on the plus icon and find text option to write or give more information like opening or closing timings, etc. For example, we have given an opening date. You can double tap text and type whatever information regarding timings, etc. Next, save image or save project by tapping on save icon. As you save, a pop-up window will appear. You can save in any quality you want. As per options, we saved on custom. Last step is to save on gallery by clicking on sharing on other social media options. We are now showing you some other posters made by us earlier with the same process. We suggest you to pause and listen a second time over when needed. Happy poster making! Thank you.